Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will gonna see some challenges and questions related to arithmetic operators and comparison operators and the logical operators. So let's see. Our first question is predict the output. So what will be the output of this? You might think its output will be 30, but when we run it, let me comment them out, and I comment the lines using this shortcut key control plus forward slash. To do this, you can just press control and forward slash, and everything is, but the output is 20. So why is it 20? Because Python does multiplication first and then it adds. We'll discuss about this precedence in the next video. Okay, so its output is 20. And let's see the second question. Second question is, what will this print? Okay, so 10 greater than 5 and 5 greater than 3. So let's check, but according to me it is true. You can pause the video and write the code, or maybe just guess it that what will be the output of this program. Let's just first comment this out and run it. It's true. Why is it true? Because 10 is greater than 5, it is true, and 5 is greater than 3, it is also true, so it's printing true. Okay, so now let's discuss about question 3. Find the bug. Okay, let's just uncomment it, and you can just use the shortcut key for the commenting to uncomment also. Okay, so it says x equals to 10, sorry, and if x greater than 5 or x greater than 3, print yes. So it's 10, so 10 is greater than 5 and 10 is not greater than 3. Okay, it will print yes. Why? Because this condition gave us the true output, true boolean value. For example, this gave us true and this gave us false, because if you see 10 is less than 3. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question is, take two numbers and print their sum whether the first number is greater than the second. Okay, so we are supposed to do multiple stuff in this. Let's take num1 and input enter number 1, and let's just copy paste it and change the variable name. Print num1 plus num2. Let's use f string in this. Sum of both numbers, and make it more user friendly for the easier to read the output for the user. And now let's print. Okay, we just can print this. We have to use if else conditional statement here. So num1, if num1 greater than num2, print num1. Let's just use f strings in this too. Num1 equals to, let's just use the num1 variable value here, is greater. Let's just print it like this, or never mind, just like this, greater than num2 equals to num2. And let's just add else now, and in else we gonna switch things. I'm gonna just copy this line and paste it here and just change numbers. Okay, so now let's check our program if it runs as intended or no. Okay, so now it's asking for enter number 1. Okay, so num2 equals to 2 is greater than num1 equals to 1 and its sum is 3. Okay, it's working correctly. But what if I give it 2 and it 1? Okay, num1 equals to 2 is greater than num2 equals to 1. Okay. Our fifth question is write a program to check if age is greater than 18 or equals to 18, citizen equals to true, or print eligible to vote only if both are true. Okay, so let's just take input of these two. We'll ask the user to like tell if it's citizen or no also, or you can just set a variable to like citizen containing the false boolean value or the true value. Okay, so I'm gonna take a variable named integer and enter your age like this, and for the citizen I'm not gonna take it an int. Are you citizen? And let's say that, and we'll print answer y or n like this. So let's say age is greater than or equals to 18, and the other condition should be if citizen is true or no. If citizen, okay, I just noticed I didn't replace this variable name here. Citizen equals to y. I have to make it in single quotes so the Python knows that it's a string. Then print eligible to vote with 3 exclamation. And the other condition here can be, what if users uses this? We can just add, or let's just, okay, we can just add citizen double equals to lowercase y. So even if the users uses this one, it just prints as intended. And in other cases, not eligible to vote. Okay, so now let's try this out now. Let's say 2 and y. Okay, so we made a logical error here, which was because of this one, because it checked first this one, these two, and then we got a true here, so it's printing true. So let's just keep this one in parentheses, so it will evaluate them first and then it will evaluate this, so it will work like this, citizen value, whatever it will be, like the y this one or the y this one, it will evaluate this, either it will have this value or this value, so it will give it yes or no. Okay, so now let's try this. 2 and y, not eligible to vote. Okay, it's working fine now. Let's try it again. I'm using up arrow key right now. 19 and y, eligible to vote. Okay, so it's working fine now. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. See you guys in next step. We'll be discussing precedence in the next video, by the way.